First time I met you, I will always remember. I loved her and everything about her. I knew our friendship would last forever. Call me the fortune teller. Whenever we were together, we would be full of smiles and laughter. I remember writing her notes and letter hugs right after. Pray to God she'd be in my life forever, cause without her it'd be a disaster. Her dark hair and tan skin are nothing but beloved characteristics. She listens to me and understands me like logistics. I listen to her and understand her in the toughest situations. Trusting her, I never had hesitation. But in the middle of junior year, she left me. But I know I look to the moon and she'd be right there with me. And I never had my doubts about her, cause she the type of girl to keep a long skirt, keeping thirsties out for her. She know damn well she better than any girl I ever met. And when I'm down and out, she come to me quick like a jet. She give me the best advice I could ever get. If only she was single, to be with her every day so we can mingle. Every song I write about her will be a hit single, cause you can never go wrong in writing about an angel. To God I say thank you, to Katie I say I love you. I know those words are overused, but when I say those words to you, I can feel my heart beating harder than when I first met you. That's some tough love shit. I can say I love you a million times and you wouldn't believe it. Cause how many times I messed around, you would tell me I'd never feel it. But I'ma tell you, put your hand on my heart and feel the heart pumping. Feel the love in these lyrics. Feel the music crossing through your earrings. Feel it throughout your body. Look me in the eye and realize I'm a real somebody. I'm your soulmate for forever and eternity. When I look in your eyes, the family is all I see. Beautiful kids and living happy. Church every Sunday, work Monday through Friday. Family time on Saturday. Loving you 24/7 every day and have nothing change our ways. Dear Katie, my name is Steven. I'm a priest to you, a one-of-a-kind poem. Hope you like it. Give me a few seconds, let me get my thoughts together, yeah. Roses are red, violets are blue. Thinking of you is something I love to do. Thinking of you is something I always do. Being with you every day is a dream I hope will come true. I look at you when I'm blue. I come to you cause you the girl I choose, to trust with everything and anything. You're the girl I look to be my everything. You're the one I see being buried right next to me when we dead and gone. And when you do go, I'ma have your name tatted right on my heart, so we can never be apart. You were the wish I wished for when I saw you